In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on a Nissan NV2500. It is located in the engine bay area. Before you remove your coolant reservoir, you need to remove your cap and remove your fluid. After you remove your fluid, you need to remove both of these hoses. After you slide your clamp down your hose, remove your hose from the reservoir. Put it off to the side. Now you can remove your other hose clamp and your hose. Put that off to the side. Your reservoir is held down by two 8mm bolts. You need to remove those. After you remove those two bolts, take your reservoir, slide it towards the rear of the vehicle. Now you have to remove this hose on the bottom. Once your bottom hose is off, remove your reservoir. Your bottom hose goes on first. Slide it onto the reservoir. Slide your clamp into position on the hose. Once you have your hose on, you have two tabs, one on each side. Those tabs go into your bracket. Once you have your two tabs lined up, pull your reservoir towards the front of the vehicle. Now you can install your two bolts. And tighten them down. Then install your two hoses. Now you can fill your reservoir with coolant to the manufacturer's specification. Now you can install your cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.